Hi everyone, welcome back to DJ Boutique. Today, we're creating a beautiful ribbon flower that adds the perfect touch to any accessory. So let's go and make something beautiful. For this tutorial, we're going to use these petals and I will show you how to make them. We're using satin ribbon in 5 cm wide and 11 cm long. So this is our petal, and for this flower design, we'll need a total of 16. And I've got a round felt fabric here, and this will be our base. Our glue gun is hot and ready, so let's start. It's finished! I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and check out my other tutorials for more ideas. See you next time!